So you don't feel like typing and now you want to just simply speak the words and let your keyboard do the typing. So I simply just want that my keyboard hear me out and type the words for me. See what happened here? So ladies and gentlemen, this is called the voice typing on your Gboard keyboard. And if you want to turn this on, let's go ahead and do it. Wherever you are on your Android phone or Samsung phone, let's just say you're about to start typing, your keyboard is going to pop up and you're looking for this icon here, this mic icon right here to the top right of your Gboard keyboard. If you don't see it there, then chances are you need to turn it on. Don't confuse it with the others like this one here or any other place on any other app. It has to be here. So when your Gboard keyboard is all shown up, tap on the settings right there. And from here, you're going to see these different options and you'll see voice typing. This is the late 2025 update, so you should have a layout that looks like this here. You'll find voice typing and go ahead and turn it on. And once it's turned on and you're back to go ahead and typing now, you'll go ahead and tap on the mic itself here. And this is how you would turn on voice typing. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.